This is a big U whiteboard, perfect for classroom presentation, office meeting, and productive sessions. From feature as small as pen and eraser to as big as saving files, annotation, and email. Everywhere you click, you get to experience a seamless interactive interface that enhances collaboration and engagement. As you open the menu here, you see a lot of options in front of you. From the open option here, you open a file on your whiteboard and start presenting it. On the file layer, you can write, draw, and annotate as per your liking. On the pen option as well, you get an option for size, color, and types of pen. The same as with eraser tool, you can adjust the size and setting here. Moving on, you see the save option which allows you to save your file in the format of your liking. You get options like JPG, PDF, PNG, etc. over here, followed by the location where you want to save the file. You can share your presentation in the form of QR for easy accessibility for remote joiners. Collaborative mode enables people from different locations to join and give their inputs on the presentation. More sections offer advanced settings like distinguish between finger and stylus. Remember the background, smart eye protection, and more. The Big View whiteboard is simple, easy to use, and extremely accessible to everyone present in the meeting. Its collaborative feature allows multiple users to give input, interact, and engage the presentation throughout. If you are a teacher, team leader, or creative professional, then this Big View whiteboard is a must for you. Looking for an ultimate collaboration tool for classroom, meeting, and creative projects? Say hello to Big View whiteboard. Whether working individually or with a team, Big View whiteboard brings innovation and interactivity to every setting. As you start working on the whiteboard, you see that it comes with a writing pen that you can use to write, erase, and do anything and everything on this board. Now let's look at all the creative tools we have in here. As we go to the tool section over here, we see a lot of tools in the bucket. We have shape, which you can use to insert different shapes on your ongoing presentation. We have text, through which you can insert a text box on your screen. Then we have form, a tool that helps you insert tables in your presentation. As you click on it, you can select the number of rows and columns, and you can also enable this auto adjust and bind data feature so that the table automatically adjusts to the data you put in. Next, we have Mind, the mind mapping feature, perfect for brainstorming sessions. You can add more sections, duplicate the map, rotate the map, and delete it altogether. We have Current Page Note, where you can notes to the current page you are on. We have a puzzle card that has all the skills you need for perfect measurement of lines, angles, and so on. All those stored and more come in handy during a lesson or a presentation, making it easier to present what you are trying to convey and make the meeting interactive. Which tool is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.